Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where currently almost everything I'm doing right now has got pumpkin in it. This is pumpkin Alfredo with pasta. I used capellini. I wanted to use penne, but I'm out of penne. You could also use fettuccine, since fettuccine is the traditional pasta for Alfredo sauce. This, I had some of the creamy pumpkin soup left over. I thought, well, what can I do with it besides just, eating it as soup? And I thought, oh, Alfredo sauce. Because I'm going nuts for that silk heavy cream. So I took some butter and sauteed a little crushed garlic in it. I added the sauce, a little extra cream, plenty of black pepper. You always have to have plenty of black pepper with your Alfredo. And Parmesan cheese. And I was excited. Isn't it silly to get excited about stuff like this? To find the Follow Your Heart Parmesan in a shaker top. So that's what I put in, and then I shook some more on top. Cracked some more black pepper on the top. Now it's time for a taste. I already know this is going to be good because I tasted the sauce. Ooh. It is. Soup's better the next day anyway. Makes a beautiful, beautiful Alfredo sauce. Pumpkin Alfredo. I'm going to have another bite because I'm hungry. Now, the way I was taught to make a truly traditional Alfredo sauce was to melt some butter, warm some heavy cow cream, and grate a bunch of cow parmesan into it. Cook it over low heat till it thickened up into a sauce, seasoned with salt and black pepper. I've seen a lot of different recipes for Alfredo when looking for one to veganize. Although I started with a soup this time. But I'm going to try an Alfredo with the silk heavy whipping cream. It's good with cashew cream, but I'm more curious to cook with the silk heavy whipping cream than I am to whip it into cream. So that'll be coming up sooner or later. A fettuccine Alfredo veganized. The recipe for this will be on my blog, and I will link to it in the description. I will also link to the previous video in the description. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Regular community tab posts, Monday and Friday. I link to my video page and my community, pardon me, and my community tab in the description. Thank you, as always, for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you if you dislike. I don't get to give any special appreciation for the number of dislikes like I used to because, YouTube's had it hidden for a very long time. They're worried about people's feelings being hurt. My feelings are not hurt by dislikes. So I miss that. I miss getting to say like 5 people, whatever. I remember I said once, I think I had like 7 people that wanted me to put ketchup on their weenies. That was a hot dog video. Anyway, one more bite for the road. And then I'm going to finish it off because this is my dinner. Ooh. Lots of pepper in that one. I love black pepper. See you later, guys.